So here's how you copy the week's course topic to your course. So the first thing you got to do is you got to go to the master course for CS1100. Course topic should already be under course topics. You got to go down to packages and utilities, course copy, and then in here you got to select your course from the list of courses. If you happen to know your CRN, it's a little bit easier to find. I happen to know the CRN for my section, which is 31874. If you happen to know yours, then it's a little bit easier to find it. You can get that on my NDU or on your Blackboard. It's just basically those numbers right here. Then the key thing is you got to make sure you only select course topics. Don't select any other content areas. All right. Don't select the tests. Those are sent by email as an attachment. Otherwise, it actually copies all the tests. Click submit, and that's it. Now it should be under your course. It takes typically a few minutes before that finishes. Then you can go into your respective sections. Under course topics, you're going to find the new course topic. Right here it is. Maybe I'm going to change the week to reflect the current week. And then the key thing has to be that you got to go in here and you've got to update the assignment. So first of all, we got to delete the old assignment. It's not going to work otherwise. And then add your assignment. I've emailed the links to the assignment in the last email. If you can't find it, you can also get it from the master course. So I've added the assignment. Next thing you got to do is you got to also add the test. To do that, you got to go to Course Tools, Test Service and Pools, click on Tests, and then you got to import the test that I sent as an attachment. So once you have that, then you can go back to your course topics and add the test. And then change anything about it. First, we'll make the link available, very important. If you want to allow multiple attempts, you can do that. You can also set a timer if you'd like. And then availability, if you want to make it available only during class time, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be available tomorrow for my class from 9 a.m. to 10:20 a.m. I'm going to make it 10:30 a.m. I'm also going to set a password so that they can't access it outside. Although we could in the future also restrict it based on custom IP addresses. If you also want to set a due date for that, that can be very helpful because that actually means that it's going to show up in the students' calendar. Just be careful to set the due date for the end of your class. You can also change what you want to do about the submissions. One thing I do is I don't trim anything they did, but what I do is after all attempts are graded, then I show them the correct answer and the submitted answer so they can see what's wrong. Also one at a time and randomize the questions. That's it. That's how you set up a lesson.